Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's needing some help with this text, and it's too thin to make it into a cake topper because it's going to break, they think. And it could quite possibly break because it's only an inch and a third tall, so it's going to be really thin. So that can't be right. Now, well, it's 3 inches long. Maybe it'll work. I made one already thicker, and you can see, well, you can't really fill that in. Use the Smart Fill tool, and you can see how much thicker it is. Still readable, so everything will work. We're going to move this one out of the way, and they've already welded the text. It's not even text anymore. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside 0.03, and we get that. Then I'm going to select it all, go to Object and break the contour apart. Then I'm going to take the original text and move it up. Now, the only problem with this is it's contoured it where it makes it look like it's not as big. So what you can do is select it all, go up to Object and break the curve apart. Grab the outside lineage and you can delete all this stuff because you broke the curve apart. I think I might have just jumped that. Yep. I'm going to move it up, and then I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, set on what other color, and I'm going to fill in that and nudge it down, fill in that, nudge it down, fill in that, nudge it down, fill in that, nudge it down. And then I can select it all, and I can left-click, no fill, right-click and outline and make sure it's a hairline, and that will cut out. It's quite a bit thicker. I mean, we can actually measure this. Even if you cut out a plywood, that's 4/100ths of an inch. I'm going to measure about the same spot. And if you go a little bit further, see, we're getting close to 1/8 of an inch. If you go any further with thickness, you're going to lose the H where it won't be readable. Let's go like 0.05. And see now, when we break the contour apart and select the middle one, it doesn't look like an H anymore. So you've got to, that's one consideration. Now you could quite possibly, it just take a little bit of work. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's break the contour apart and go ahead and move everything up and delete this. Now let's move everything down, and I would actually probably try this before I put the other stuff in there. This is pretty thick, so you quite possibly could bring that line up and, play around with these nodes. There's also a lot of nodes in this, which could or could not hinder the quality of it. I'm going to reduce nodes like by 10 and look at the difference. Now you can probably manipulate the nodes a little bit more, maybe even move this one in, move it out a little bit, move that one up. Just kind of make it look like an H, and it looks more like an H than it was. We haven't moved it so we can Smart Fill all the parts in. And then when you left-click, no outline, right-click and hairline, it looks pretty good. I still don't like the H, but that's, you could probably still, move some stuff around. Anyway, your call. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.